99.9% of all women want a guy who is this. Open correspondence that happens consistently and prudently is fundamental. A sound relationship prospers when correspondence is clear. Trustworthiness is another represent the deciding moment. Quality, where give somebody any motivations to question you. Trust and dependability enable connections to extend. Assuming liability for activities and conduct. Long-haul solid connections require an elevated level of development. Without it, contradictions and struggle exacerbate as couples take part in habitual pettiness. Correspondence comes up short and passionate harm should be possible that can't be effectively fixed. Qualities of social affectability. Ladies need men to give grace, tolerance, getting, sympathy, and empathy. Notwithstanding the kind of relationship, people ought to be chivalrous of one another's sentiments. Perceive that an accomplice's hardships matter to her and that accomplices' jobs are to appreciate and think about and around each other. Kinship among people is additionally wanted. Being a companion to your accomplice implies treating her in the patient, tolerating way in which you treat other dear companions. Enthusiastic development is fundamental. It's all right to have a fabulous time when it's fitting, yet it's significant for ladies and men to carry on like adults when it's a great opportunity to do as such, as well. Staying alert that beast quality doesn't approach knowledge is additionally useful in keeping up solid correspondence and association. Here and there it's smarter to kick back and thoroughly consider issues before attempting to abuse your accomplice into a constrained arrangement. Being strong to the ladies throughout your life can do a lot of good. Supporting your accomplice is an essential job. Regardless of whether your accomplice or a companion needs enthusiastic or functional help, be there to aid little and huge ways. Regardless of whether it's requiring some investment to tune in, or increasingly dynamic contribution in significant choices, kid raising, accounts, and so on. Make your quality a positive and steady one. Furthermore, 6. Affectability combined with approval of your accomplice's encounters are fundamental. The social encounters of grown-ups differ enormously dependent on sexual orientation, personality. Perceive your very own predispositions by the way you see other ladies and envision how your accomplice may be contrarily influenced by a world that considers ladies to be not exactly. Try not to expect she is making things up when she shares accounts of preference, separation, or out-of-line treatment. Sex jobs compel conduct. Having an influence in separating hurtful sex jobs at home and in the work environment benefits the two people. Try not to make ladies bounce a higher bar to substantiate themselves. Ladies and men ought to be managed similar compensations for a similar speculation. Sex shouldn't be a detriment in a relationship or a workplace.